Welcome back, everybody, and in this video we're going to talk about a shocking Ethereum price prediction. One trader predicting that ETH could go up significantly in his mind soon. We're going to talk about that. Again, it's just one trader's opinion, but I always like to kind of take a pulse on what some of the top traders are saying in terms of where Bitcoin and Ethereum could go here in the short term. Now, for me, it's a long-term outlook when I look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are decade-long investments for me. However, short-term gains could be had. A lot of people are interested in trading. A lot of people want to know what's going to happen with the price because, as we know, as Ethereum goes, so do a lot of other altcoins, especially the ERC20 tokens that are attached to Ethereum, like your, Shiba Inus out there that run on the Ethereum blockchain, at least right now. So with that being said, let's dive in because the trader predicting Ethereum may climb as high as 2,750 soon. Right now, just trading under 2,000 is Ethereum. Now, remember, not too long ago, just a couple months ago, Ethereum did climb up over 2K, but it did not hold there, right? It was very, very short-lived, and there's a lot of resistance at current levels, a little bit over 1,800 right now. So, KALEO, who's the trader and analyst who predicted this in a tweet yesterday, said that the market dominance of Bitcoin soon could retest a higher time frame support, which would successfully challenge which was successfully challenged earlier this month. Now, the trader added that this would not necessarily be an indication of an altcoin season, but it could be good for Ethereum. So according to the trader, over 832,000 addresses bought more than 26 million ETH between 2000 and 2060. It's quite a bit. Should the altcoin leader overcome this resistance zone, look out, because then the next resistance zone could be up where his price prediction lies at $2,750. Now, Bitcoin's dominance in the market continues to climb up over 50% today. This says 49.97. I just had a look at it. It's up over 50%. This was a continued increase. We've seen a continued increase in this here in 2023. Bitcoin year-to-date is up over 100%. A lot of people aren't really realizing that. Ethereum lagging a little bit. So, some traders out there and some experts saying, it's time for Ethereum to shine a little bit. Ethereum actually printed a 24-hour loss and was changing hands at 1,865 as a result. About a 1% loss over the past 24 hours. And Ethereum was able to become 50% dominant when you include altcoins. The drop in Ethereum's price did mean it was trading slightly closer to its daily low of 1840, while its 24-hour high stood at just over 1900. And we shall see what happens here, but Ethereum has not really had its day yet, right? And just maybe we could be gearing up for that day very soon, and we'll see if this trader and his prediction does come true. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and give me your thoughts down below. Are you still holding Ethereum? Are you dollar cost averaging? What's your strategy with the two top cryptos by market cap, making up over 70% of the overall crypto market right now?